The Armory has been out for over a month now, so let's take a look at what's going on within the market right now. Even though the overall market cap is more or less stagnating, most of the item categories are going down at the moment. This downtrend can be also seen when taking a look at the player numbers and case unboxing numbers. A development like this shows that the Armory simply doesn't have the same impact as an entire operation. Speaking of the Armory, let's directly stay here and take a look at all the different item categories we have received. The collection items went down until about 1 week ago and stagnated since then. The AWP CMYK is now sitting at about 800 euros, the AKB the Monster at 900 and the M4 Fade at 500. Regarding the collection's return of investment, it has eventually dropped to the 100% range. The Gallery case, on the other hand, unlike the collection, started going down within the last week after it stagnated the weeks before around the €1 price. Over the last 7 days, it then went down to about 90 cents. This means you barely break even when claiming and selling the cases considering the Steam fees. It's also not the by far best case to open anymore, but it shares the first place with the Kilowatt case now. Next up, there is the Deagle Heat Treated. It has more or less stagnated over the last weeks, but this just means that it's still not profitable since it never stayed at good price levels after the initial launch days. With this being said, we are getting to the item categories that were massively profitable in the first weeks after the Armory, with ROIs of above 200% starting with Charms. They also went down quite a bit but managed to recover slightly within the last week. Due to this, they are now sitting at ROIs just over 100%. The highest price charm is still the Baby Carrot Tea, sitting at €45. This video is sponsored by SkinsMonkey, a very easy to use automated CS2 trading site. Just pick the skin you want to get rid of and choose a new one to your desire. Click trade items and your brand new skin should be there in minutes. By using my code Lucas, you can even get up to $5 cashback on your first trade and a 5% deposit bonus on top of the 30% SkinsMonkey offers you for all deposits anyways. Even if you are not looking to trade right now, it's worth it to check out the freebies section where you have a daily, weekly and monthly try to get some cool new skins for your inventory. Link down below in the description. And lastly, there are the two sticker collections which are actually still quite profitable. The Character Craft collection is sitting at a 165% ROI, while the Elemental Craft collection still sits at above 200% and a 65% profit chance. After a downtrend, the sticker price went up quite a bit over the last 7 days again, which helped to keep these numbers up. For some stickers, these gains ranged up to crazy 60%. If you are still looking to spend your stars right now, definitely use them here. Regarding the near future for the Armory, most of the items will probably only go further down in price since their supply will just increase. At this point, I wouldn't buy items to keep them long term, but still sell them off immediately. As for the case market, it first seemed like cases would recover fairly fast after the Armory drop, but they are mostly going steadily down since then, except for some outliers. These include the Glove, Clutch, Breakout, Snakebite, Revolver, Revolution and Reaps and Nightmare case, which are all going up since the initial Armory drop. The rare cases are sitting about 5% higher in price now than before, while the Revolution case is even up by 20%. All of the other cases are down for up to 15% within the last month. Next up, I would like to highlight Copenhagen Capsules, which had a massive run up starting from October. Over the last 30 days, all of the capsules can record gains of 15 to even 50%. This includes all capsules except for the Legends Autograph capsule, which is surprisingly even up by 80%. Due to this, all of the team capsules plus the Contenders and Legends Autograph capsule are now sitting at over their original sale price again, the Legends capsule even at 45 cents. These increases can't be seen for any of the other Borderless Majors capsules. And lastly, I would like to get to Agents. After the Armory release, they skyrocketed massively for about a week but went down from there again, which should just be healthy for the long-term price development. Right now it seems like they have found their new price levels, which are still above the prices they were sitting at before. As for the near future of Counter-Strike, there's the Shanghai Major starting in just about a month. This event should draw interest again and therefore should increase player numbers and market transactions. Regarding its investing potential, it comes down to the decision making of Valve here. Will they give us yet another set of Borderless Major stickers for the 5th time within the last 3 years? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.